Presenting the Samsung 28-liter convection microwave oven in black color that is suitable for large families. This Samsung microwave oven can be used for baking, grilling, roasting, reheating, defrosting, cooking and much more. This microwave oven is suited for Indian households as it lets you prepare curd at home easily. SlimFry technology helps you enjoy healthier fried foods without deep frying. The ceramic enamel cavity ensures uniform heating for better and even cooking, also making it hygienic and durable. It comes with a touch keypad that lets you control your microwave with just a simple touch. The microwave also comes with a keep warm feature that keeps your food at the right temperature required. This microwave has a child lock to ensure safety. This Samsung microwave comes with Indian recipe menu that makes cooking easy and convenient even for people who are not familiar with microwave cooking. This microwave oven comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail the EMI or no-cost EMI option. You can also pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. You can schedule the delivery of this product at a day and time of your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. Amazon will coordinate with the brand for installing your product within 48 hours of delivery. In case you receive the product in a condition that is damaged or defective, we offer a free 10-day return or replacement policy. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.
Hello and welcome back to Tech 2, the one-stop shop to get your dose of tech. In today's episode, we are going to see microwave ovens. We wanted something within the budget but which is also reliable and long-lasting. So we went with the Bajaj 20-liter grill microwave oven. Let's see what all this machine can do. First look. The open is less space consuming and compact. It comes in a black body and looks pretty stable. The knobs are on the right. The top one is for programming and the below one is the timer. Specification. This 20-liter capacity oven is suitable for bachelors or small families. The grill can be used for grilling along with reheating, defrosting and cooking. It has jog dials for controls that are easy to use with a long life. With the combination cooking feature, you can use any permutation combination between the three modes. Performance. You can use this microwave for grilling along with reheating, defrosting and cooking. It has a high output of 1200 which helps with faster and efficient cooking. Comes with up to 30 minutes cooking time alarm. The timer notifies you once the cooking process is complete. Reasons to buy. In today's time, microwave ovens have a big role to play. This essential cooking appliance not only helps with heating up food but can also cook delicious meals. This microwave also comes with convection and grill setting to expand one's microwave cooking experience. The microwave is reliable and comes from a reputed brand. If you are thinking of getting a new microwave, you should definitely give this a try. That's it for today. See you again with more product recommendations. Goodbye.
Presenting the Philips Digital Oven Toaster Grill in grey color. This 1500 watt OTG has a capacity of 25 liters and can be used for grilling, baking, cooking and toasting for 4 to 5 people. It comes with opti-temperature technology that helps in even distribution of heat for uniform browning. The chamber light in the OTG makes it easy to monitor the food being cooked. The OTG comes with a digital display panel, making it easy to operate. It also features soft turn chrome finish knobs. The OTG has 90 minutes timer with auto cutoff feature. It comes along with a wide range of accessories including baking and drip tray, tongs, rotisserie and a grilling rack. All accessories are food grade and rust free for easy maintenance and cleaning. This Philips OTG comes with one-touch 10 preset menus, including preheat modes for a wide range of Indian recipes. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. You can schedule the delivery as per your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. Amazon will coordinate with brand for installation within 48 hours of delivery. For EMI options, replacement policy, and further information, visit the product detail page.